Hi, welcome to this new video for my procreate art. So this time I'm doing a poppy art flower. I saw this on YouTube, but I tried to do it on my own. You can see how I do the trial and error for the colors just to make sure it looks good in my art, but see how I put it in, erase it, put it back, erase it. But one thing I love about Procreate is this smudge tool. I really love the smudge tool. It's just so handy mixing the colors and creating some shades that I like. So actually this video time lapse is like 2 minutes, but I made this poppy flower for like 4 hours. It took time for me to make it, but so far it's going smoothly, and you can see I did the layers, the petals, one layer at a time, and then once I was done with it, I combined it, and then once I was satisfied with all the colors that I've been doing, I put a layer or an outline with the inking pen that I like. I'm not familiar with the names yet, but for sure I will be one step at a time. So you can see also when I did that marker outline, I've been doing trial and error, which brush should I use. So in the end I used the chalk pencil, I think that's the name of it, and then the marker on the middle one, and then for this texture I used pastel.